everyone, it's Shelby. Welcome back to my channel and this week's menu plan. Monday, I'm going to make some ham and cheese soup. I have a little bit of leftover spiral ham and I want to use it up. So it's kind of a leftover makeover. Tonight for dinner, I have some leftover ham. I want to use it up and I'm going to make a ham and cheese soup. I have some leftover ham, about 2 cups worth. I'm going to make a soup. I have an onion, a large carrot, a couple cloves of garlic, some celery chopped, a jalapeno, and salt and pepper, and a few sprigs of fresh thyme. I'm just going to saute this in about 2 tablespoons of some bacon grease left over from breakfast and get this cooked down. You can see how much it's cooked down. I'm going to add 4 cups of chicken broth. And 2 Knorr chicken bouillon cubes. And finally, we're going to add about 2 cups of heavy whipping cream. Let this simmer for 15-20 minutes. I just added 12 ounces of Swiss and Gruyere cheese. It's grated. It's starting to melt. This soup looks so good. For dinner tonight, we're having this ham and cheese soup, and I took a little bite of it. It is delicious. Oh my goodness. On Tuesday, we're going to have carne asada salad with all the trimmings. Tonight, we set up a salad station. We have some lettuce, some guacamole, some creamy jalapeno dressing, pico de gallo, some shredded cheese. The boys are grilling up some carne asada. This is the marinated carne asada I get at Trader Joe's. It just makes it so easy to just grill up and make into these salads. I love it. Tonight for dinner, we're having a carne asada salad, and it looks so delicious. I have the dressing, the cheese, the pico de gallo. I have everything on mine. For Wednesday, I'm going to swap these 2 meals, and I'm going to fix pan-fried pork chops, loaded cauliflower. That is such a good recipe. And sauteed spinach. I just sauteed some fresh spinach with a little bit of butter, salt, pepper, garlic, and red pepper flakes. And I made another loaded cauliflower casserole. Excellent recipe. And I'm frying off some country fried pork chops. For dinner tonight, we're having fried pork chops, this loaded cauliflower casserole, which is so good, and just some sauteed spinach. But dinner looks delicious. This is really filling too, the casserole. Okay, so for Thursday, we had the Thai coconut chicken in red curry sauce. And then just whatever vegetables I have left over in the bin, I'm going to saute them with a little bit of garlic, ginger, red pepper flakes. Sprinkle some fresh cilantro on top, and maybe some cashews for some crunch. Super easy dinner. Unfortunately, I lost the footage on this. I don't know if it was when I was transferring my files from my old computer to new computer. But the good news is I have a video on how to make the Thai coconut marinade, and I'll show you how I store it in the freezer. What I do is I take chicken breast and I slice them into cutlets, and then I portion them out for our family size and put some of the Thai coconut chicken marinade on them, and then vacuum pack them in food saver bags and then just kind of stack them up in the freezer. And when I get ready to make one of the 5 recipes that I use this Thai coconut marinated chicken for, I just pull one out, defrost it, and I'm good to go. I'll put the link to that video in the description box. So if you click on show more, it'll just open that up for you. And I marinate the chicken with this Thai coconut marinade, and there's 5 different recipes that you can make from that, or I make from that. And the red curry chicken is just one of them. So I'll put that video down there because it's pretty pretty cool, showing the different ways that you can use this. Anyway, that's what we had for Wednesday. Friday, I cooked a roasted chicken, Bistro style, and I used a compound butter that I make. I'll put the link to the compound butter in the description box. It's wonderful to have on hand. You make a big log of it, you put it in the freezer, and just cut off a piece whenever you make a roasted chicken and put it in there to baste it. Excellent recipe. It's like a bistro style chicken. It's an old Williams Sonoma recipe, and hands down the best roasted chicken ever. Serving it with asparagus, and we're going to do real potatoes for the kids and some garlic mashed potatoes. Cauliflower. I wish it was potatoes. Cauliflower for Ken and I. I'm getting ready to put this chicken in the oven pretty quick. I have celery, carrots, onions, garlic already in the cavity. I'm going to put some rosemary, thyme, and parsley in there as well. A little bit of sage. Just stuff it in there. Okay. And then I'm going to take this compound butter. It's a, I don't know, it has, let's see, garlic, bunch of different herbs, lemon, shallots. I'll put the recipe in the description box for you guys, but just you put it up underneath the skin, and it kind of bastes the chicken as it roasts, and it gives it really good flavor. I'm going to put probably 750 milliliters or so of white wine. You could use chicken broth. I am going to use a chicken bouillon cube. Dump it in there. Gonna drizzle a little bit of olive oil on top. Salt and pepper. And I'm going to go ahead and get the legs tied and then get this in the oven. It's going to be delicious. For dinner tonight, we're having the roasted chicken with the panned gravy. The boys are having mashed potatoes. Ken and I are not. Asparagus, and we have a salad to go on the side. And here is our very simple salad with ranch dressing. Saturday, we're going to have a Cobb salad with everything. Lettuce, eggs, avocados, tomatoes, bacon, blue cheese, some grilled chicken, chives, and a creamy dressing. Tonight for dinner, we're having a Cobb salad with a bed of lettuce, tomatoes, bacon, grilled chicken, some deli ham, some blue cheese, avocado, and hard-boiled egg, salt and pepper. It looks delicious. For Sunday dinner, we're having grilled steaks and brandied mushrooms. I have a video on showing how to break down a whole beef tenderloin. You know, like when you go to Costco and there's that big beef tenderloin and you think, what the heck do I do with this? I have a video showing how to break it down. I also have a video on brandied mushrooms. The boys are going to have baked potatoes and chives. Ken and I aren't. I have Brussels sprouts I need to use up, so I'm going to fix those. A nice salad. Ken has been so kind to break down this tenderloin for me, and look at how beautiful these filet mignons are. And all of the leftovers, the little scraps and stuff, I saved that, and we're going to have broccoli beef this next week. So it just works out good. I can usually do 2 to 3 meals out of one of those tenderloins. So it kind of makes it cost effective when I can get them on sale. I'm just cooking these Brussels sprouts in a little bit of bacon grease that I had left over from breakfast, salt, pepper, a little bit of garlic. That's it. For dinner, we're having grilled steak, brandied mushrooms, a nice salad, and some Brussels sprouts. What I need at the grocery store this week, not too much, a little bit of produce and some buttermilk. So I'm gonna run to the store, get that, get back, and get on with my day. Just got back from the store and I just needed a few items to get through the week. We got lettuce, cauliflower, some avocados, blackberries, blueberries, a couple heads of garlic, jalapenos, cilantro, baby spinach. I got the boys some of the Martin's bread for sandwiches for school lunches. And I bought this bulk Italian sausage. It was buy one, get one free. And it takes 1 package to make that Toscana soup. That was so good, I want to make it again. And then some buttermilk. Our total, let's see, $35.23. Well, all right, guys. Thank you for sharing this time with me, and I hope that you guys have a fantastic week. Happy meal planning, and I'll talk to you guys in the next video.